Utah is known for many things beyond its reality TV Real Housewives drama. Although that's a personal favorite of mine, it has stunning landscapes, outdoor activities, and vibrant communities. It also has a notorious allergy season. Here's what you need to know. Utah's peak allergy season occurs during the spring and fall when pollen from trees, grasses, and weeds are released into the air. High humidity during these times can also lead to an increase in mold spores. Symptoms of allergies can range from nasal congestion to itchy or watery eyes and even coughing. To minimize the impact of allergies, stay hydrated, practice good hygiene, and limit your time outdoors during periods of high pollen counts. For more information, check out our blog post at the link in bio.